Do you know that encapsulation is a key principle that makes Java secure and robust? Imagine if anyone could walk into your room and take your things without asking. Sounds risky, right? Well, in programming, if we don't protect our data, anyone can change it, leading to all sorts of problems. Encapsulation is like locking your room and only giving keys to trusted people. In this video, we'll explore how encapsulation works in Java and why it's so important for keeping your code safe and organized. Let's dive in and see how this simple concept can make a big difference in your Java journey. Encapsulation is one of the four fundamental concepts of object-oriented programming in Java, alongside inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. But what does it really mean? Simply put, encapsulation is about bundling data and methods that work on that data into a single unit called a class. It's like putting your valuables in a box and locking it, so only people with the key can access what's inside. This is crucial for protecting your data from unwanted changes and keeping your code clean and manageable. Let's see why this matters so much in real-world programming. Let's talk about what happens when we don't use encapsulation. Imagine you have a toy box at home, but you leave it open all the time. Anyone can come in, take your toys, or even break them. In programming, if you make your variables public, anyone can change them from anywhere in your code. This can lead to bugs, security issues, and unpredictable behavior. For example, if you have a public balance variable in a bank account class, someone could set it to a negative number or $1,000,000 without any checks. That's why uncontrolled data manipulation is a big problem. Encapsulation helps us avoid these risks by keeping our data safe and only allowing changes in controlled ways. So how does encapsulation actually work in Java? It's all about using access modifiers like private, public, and protected. When you declare a variable as private, it can only be accessed within its own class. To let others read or change its value, you provide public methods called getters and setters. This way you control exactly how and when the data is accessed or modified. For example, you might only allow positive numbers to be set as a balance. Protected is another modifier which allows access within the same package or subclasses. By combining private variables with public methods, you create a safe boundary around your data, just like a locked box with a key. See encapsulation in action with a simple Java example. Imagine a bank account class. We declare the balance variable as private so it can't be changed directly from outside the class. Instead, we provide public methods like getBalance and deposit. The deposit method checks if the amount is positive before adding it to the balance. This way, no one can set the balance to a negative value or make unauthorized changes. Here's a quick code snippet. Class bank account. Private double balance. Public double getBalance, return balance. Public void deposit double amount. If amount balance plus equals amount. This approach keeps your data secure and ensures only valid operations are performed. Wrap-up encapsulation is a powerful tool in Java that helps you protect your data, control how it's accessed, and keep your code clean and easy to maintain. By using private variables and public methods, you make sure that only safe and valid changes happen to your data. This leads to better security, fewer bugs, and code that's much easier to understand and update. Remember, encapsulation isn't just a rule, it's a best practice that every Java developer should follow. Thanks for watching. If you've tried using encapsulation in your Java projects, share your experience below. Don't forget to check out our other beginner-friendly Java tutorials to keep building your skills. Remember, every